Okay, we have here 2013 Subaru Forester Ignition column. So to take the ignition out, we need to drill those two pins from both of the side. 1, 2. Those is 2 pins. And then you can basically pull the ignition. Be careful, this white piece can flow out. To take the ignition completely out, you have small pin here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a small pin here inside. What you need to do is to push him in, and all the barrel will go out. And you can rekey it and just put everything back. I hope I helped to everyone. Thank you.